Yep.
This one down here, it won't stay open. Okay, and then this window over here, it stays open, but it slides kind of down. The hardware might need adjusted. You can repair the hardware in that.
Okay.
Tighten it up.
All right.
Okay.
So nothing with the foundation. It's just
Just with the hardware.
window.
The hardware
Okay.
might be broken or it might need some adjustments, but you're able to get them taken care of.
Okay.
You should go get that taken care of. But
Perfect.
this out right there is the one that's laying shut though.
All
On this
right.
one right here.
All right. What'd you think of the roof?
Roof looks good. I mean, I got to where I could. The shingles look good from the back and everything looked really good.
Okay.
The chimney needs repaired though.
Okay.
They put some, if you go out and look, and I try to get really close pictures of it, but they use some, it looks like Karnak. It's a roofing cement, but there's a lot of open masonry, seams up there. Eventually it's going to start deteriorating.
So maybe tuck point.
Yes, that's
Between
what
the- okay,
You got a cut point between all the masonry bricks and stuff.
Okay.
Just fill them up.
All
That's
right.
what you got to do there.
All right.
But roof looks good. The garage roof doesn't look bad. It looks pretty good.
All right.
The porch roof looks good. I got every place else where I could. It looks really good. I mean,
Okay.
shingles look. I'm going to say probably good 10 years, maybe 5 to 10, more than 10-year range.
Oh, okay. So it's about 10 years old.
I'm going to say probably a good 10 years left.
Oh, left on it. Okay.
So it might be a 20-year roof, because they're 3-tap shingles. So it's very possible they're a 20-year roof. So you have probably a good 10 years on them yet.
Okay.
Yeah, so it's
Perfect.
probably half life.
All right.
Yeah.
All right.
Okay.
That's good.
Okay, good.